G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to change the background color of an image. So once you've opened up Canva and you've got your canvas, come over to Elements and choose your photo or image. I'm just going to use one that I've recently used, which is the Sydney Opera House fireworks. So click on that and basically just enlarge it to fit the canvas like so and adjust it. Now what we want to do is we want to come over to edit and then we want to come over to adjust and then we come down here to saturation and oops, we've changed the whole color of the image. So we'll bring that back to 0. Up here under select area, we want to just scroll over to the right and we want to choose background. Once we've selected background, then we can come down to saturation and we can bring the saturation all the way down to -100. And then we click on the cross button here, and as you can see, the background has changed to black and white and the foreground is in color within the image. So there you go, a simple way of changing the background color within an image and leaving the foreground in color, for example. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Have a great day and have fun with Canva. Bye for now.